Welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Let us prepare garlic curry recipe for rice. Poondu puli kulambu without coconut. It is a South Indian style recipe. The uses of garlic are: improves heart health, controls hypertension, reduces arthritis pain, treats cough and cold, fights fungal infection, combats allergies, aids digestion and prevents cancer. The ingredients are shown. Add oil in a pan. Let us now add mustard seeds or kaduhu. Wait till the mustard seeds explode. Then add urad dal or ulundu. Ulundu is added for adding flavor and smell to this recipe. Add garlic. Garlic of about 30 numbers are added. The more you add, the more taste it gets. Small onions of about 5 are added. Small onions have a good health benefit. And now add tomatoes. One finely chopped tomato is added and fry it till the tomatoes are cooked, and add curry leaves to this recipe. Add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of cumin or jeera powder, and 2 spoons of coriander powder. Stir the mix until the masala has cooked. Now add tamarind water to this recipe and cook it until the tamarind water has thickened. Add required amount of salt. Add required amount of water. I have added 1 cup of water. If you want more, you can add it. Now close it with the lid, and after 5 minutes open the lid, and now you can see that the curry has cooked well. Now add 1 spoon of pepper powder and leave it for about 2 minutes, and now our recipe is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share my recipe. Thank you for watching. Thanks.